What is going on, guys? Tempo Trades. In today's video, I'm just going to document pretty much my best trade ever, especially trading ICT. This is a 250 point trade that I caught. All proof will be shown in the video, and I just want to go over it, document this. If it gets topped one day, if I get a 300 point trade or something crazy like that, I'll come back to this video, but I really just want to have this one on the channel. So let's get straight into it. We're on the 5-minute time frame here, and I usually never trade pre-market setups, okay? I like to trade the AM session from 9:30 to 11 a.m. I find the price action and the movement to be very clean, and I really only trade pre-market if I find an irresistible setup, because the same types of setups that work during New York have a much less win percentage or much lower win percentage during pre-market. That's what I found personally. But today was just one of those days where, man, I was drinking my coffee, I was getting ready to fire up the stream, and I just saw an irresistible setup, and I had to take it. So you can see right here, it's about 9 o'clock or 9:10, so it's 30 to 20 minutes before the New York Stock Exchange open, and price has already done two things, right? Price has already swept London low right here, which is a major sweep of liquidity. So that's the first thing it's done. And then the second thing it's done is it's actually swept the previous day low. Okay, so right here to this day is Tuesday. You can see on the bottom of the screen. And then over here is Monday, right? So you can see that during pre-market, price came down and swept this level, which is the previous day low. That's the lowest point in price that it went during the Monday session, right? So that's two major liquidity sweeps. Not only did we sweep London, the overnight low, but we also swept previous day low. So if we can get a reaction at this area, it's a prime time opportunity to go long and try to pinpoint a reversal opportunity in the market. So if I drop down to my 30-second time frame, here is where I executed. Okay, now I wasn't going to enter initially because you had this play right here. I was just watching, right? You have the first IFEG setup after the two reversal, or after the two liquidity sweeps, and this one failed because the candle closed under. But once I saw this kind of act as a manipulation leg, and I saw price pump right after it stopped out, I knew that right there it was just taking out buyers, and here was the real move. So here is where I entered. I entered on this IFEG right here. I called it out to my Discord, and they all caught this move. By the way, guys, quick plug, I'm holding a Black Friday sale right now. This is the best sale I'm going to run all year. So if you want to lock in with me for 2025, you can buy a yearly discount at a super cheap price. Or if you want to cop a monthly plan, that is also at a really, really cheap cost. Again, I have tons of testimonials, tons of real people saying that this shit works. I'm showing my profits every single day. So if you want to become profitable in 2025, this is the best time to do so. All right, so you can see right here my entry. I got in at about 435. I trimmed a good amount of my position, 30 points in profit, and then I let the runners run. So here is my entry. Again, I trim most, it looks like, at this swing high, and then I let my runners run. There's my live execution. And also another thing, here is me pointing out I really like longs at 905 before the play even happened, right? You can see where price is at 905. It's not even, it hasn't even inversed that gap yet. Here's 905. Here's 905 right there. So the play hasn't even happened yet. I'm telling my Discord, I'm telling people in the chat, I really like longs here. And you can see this turn into a 250 point banger. So after that, it looks like, so I trim most at 30. I then trim some at 542. This is another, let's go look at 542. Let's see what that was. 542 might have been a swing high on the 1 minute. So we go to the 1 minute here. You can see, oh, that was just 100 points in profit. That's what that was. Yeah, so there's my second trim, 100 points in profit. And then I pretty much just let the runners run. You can see, I think this might have gone all the way to London high. Yeah, you can see this monster of a play went 250 points in profit, and it went from end to end, which is what we look for every single day. It came down, swept the London low, reversed, and then went for the London high and Asia high. So, I mean, this is just a textbook trade. It's beautiful. Not much else to put it. And again, I caught it before the move even happened because I know this model. I know ICT. I understand liquidity sweep. So guys, you can check out all these free videos on the channel. I'm not charging you a dime. If you watch these videos, you'll understand why I took this move, and you'll be able to catch the next coming move just like this. So that is it. That is the trade. If you have any questions, leave a like. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.